Hello guys, welcome back to Kunch, and in this video we're gonna see how you can earn money by creating bookings, by arranging bookings, scheduling bookings with your clients who want to have some consultation from you, and you can allow them to pay you um, for the meeting that they want to arrange with you. It may be like 15-minute meeting, a 30 minutes meeting. You can customize it the way you want. You can do it, do like everything. You can schedule your hours, and then you can let them join the meeting like this one. Yeah, they can just put their name and book the event and pay you for arranging the meeting. So if you are someone who are providing consultancy services or anything, then you can surely use this kind of service. I am using it on my WordPress website, as you can see, by using the code. And let me first show you the website from where I am using it. That's called Tidycal.com. And before you jump to the website and leaving this video, let me tell you that there's a lifetime deal currently running on AppSumo, so you can just check out the link in the description and get this tool right away for lifetime. Yeah, so you don't have to pay any monthly fees, and you can avoid all that. And so let me first log into my account, and here you can see that I enabled this booking. When you are logged in and you have lifetime plan or any other plan, you can also try free. But if you go with the lifetime plan, you are gonna unlock more features, of course, like any other SaaS software. So that may be pretty useful. You may avoid branding and all, and that's kind be very useful for your website too, if you want to input in your website. Yeah, so I hope you are getting it, and just jump to the website from the description, and that's an affiliate link. So that's a win-to-win deal. You are gonna get benefit out of it, and time too, so you can buy it from there. But before you buy, let me just show you some of the very cool features, or a tutorial like how to use Tidycal. So you are on the right page. So when you are logged in, you can see this kind of interface, and here you can create your own meetings bookings by just click on this button right here. And over here you can find the custom ready-made meetings that you can customize as well by just click on this edit button. And let me show you by editing this one. So here you can name the event. You can say it like SEO as SEO masterclass by Lokesh Kapoor, or something, your name or anything that you want. And then here you can write the description about the same. Then you can write the event duration, and then the minimum meeting paddings. Yeah, and then you can set the available hours for your meeting, so that people can get the right time, and you are also on the right page. So if there is an unavailability, and they may not like it, so that's why you have to input this stuff very wisely. And you can ask some questions while they are submitting their booking, and you can also charge them for the event, like $20 for 15 minutes meeting, and update the booking type. So that's very easy, and you can customize this URL as well by just going to your account, and here you can just customize this URL. And here you can see all the settings that you can change. You can also change the color. Let's make it red a little bit from here. Yeah, and let's save it. And what else you can do, you can just go to integrations, and here you can integrate it with your email, and then you can also add your desired integrated for more, like there's Zoom, there's Google Meet, there's Static Link you can use, so that you can have some more power over your bookings, so that you can connect over Zoom calls. Then there's option to input your PayPal email and then save it. You can also have automation, so JPR in this tool, so that's pretty interesting. Have some multiple integrations all there. Then you can here find all the bookings that people have made for you. So let me tell you how you can embed this to your website. Just click on this embed on website, click and then copy the code and go to your web page and just paste it right here and update. So if you are using a landing page, then you can use dynamic redirect and you can have some leads for the form. If you don't know how to use dynamic redirect, just check out link in the description. You can see the I button and I will leave a annotation there. You can check out from there as well. So it is very beneficial if you use the canvas mode here, Elementor canvas. So and the people will be on your website and they will be able to see the widget like this. Yeah, and they can also see the pricing and the color that it was earlier blue and now it's red as you have changed it. So when they click, they can see pay with PayPal button right here and write their name and all and then submit it. So this is a very cool feature. You can integrate it with WordPress and you can also use your link, like copy this link and paste it on your browser, and it also works like that. You can just send this link to your users and you can also disable when you are away. You can also have your own page, like when you remove this URL, you have all your meetings set up, right? And here you can see if I enable these two as well and update this page, you can see thrice of them are available to be booked. So that's how it works. Doesn't it look cool? Please let me know in comments how you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more videos like this and hit the bell icon. I need your support. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe. Yeah, that was all for today's video. Let me know in comments what tool or what video you would like to be shared on the channel, and I will definitely give some time to make the video for you. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.